This is Matt with Phenix Technology Inc., and today I'm going to go over the proper decontamination process on a TC-1 traditional composite helmet. This process is for light to deep cleaning and is not recommended for helmets that have been exposed to hazardous materials or CBRN terrorism agents. It is important that you regularly conduct care and maintenance on your helmet. Failure to follow the care and maintenance instructions may result in voiding of the warranty and may expose you to life-threatening cancer-causing chemicals. You will need a soft bristle brush, a sponge or soft cloth, a bucket with warm water. We recommend using a light cleanser like Dawn liquid soap or any other pH-balanced soap will work. First, you want to take all the soft goods out, including the suspension system with the ear laps, chin strap, and the impact foam cap. The suspension system needs to be washed by dunking it in warm soapy water. Submerge the chin strap in the water solution and scrub thoroughly. Do not place any helmet components in a dryer. Wring out all the components and let them air dry in a shaded area. The impact foam cap needs to be inspected for damage. If necessary, you can contact your distributor or email us at sales@phenixfirehelmets.com for a replacement. When cleaning the Tc1 Shell, use the warm soapy water with the soft bristle brush and make sure to remove any foreign material. Using the sponge, wipe the inside and outside thoroughly, inspecting the helmet for any deep scratches, cracks, bubbling, or other damage that may suggest the helmet needs to be replaced. Be careful to avoid wetting the manufacturer labels located on the inside of the shell. Rinse the shell off with clean water from a sink. Once all items are dry, you can reassemble your TC1 helmet. First, place the impact cap back into the shell, making sure the two long sides are facing the front and back of the helmet. Then, you want to install the suspension system. When installing the suspension system on the helmet, make sure that the hooks on the liner are snapped tightly into the inserts on the shell. Always install the liner with the ratchet or Velcro strap towards the long rear brim, as this indicates the back of the helmet. Next, install the chin strap. If you need any assistance on how to install your chin strap, please refer to our chin strap installation for Phenix TL2, TC1, and First Do helmets video. For more information on any of our products, please visit www.phenixfirehelmets.com.